Damn, look at this. Look at all these guns. So today I was gun shopping. I went gun shopping, trying to make a decision on getting a new pistol. I only have a shotgun right now. So you gotta update, stay safe. You never know what could happen out here. Make sure you're safe and on point. So these are some I was looking at. They had some Glock 48X, Glock 19X, Glock 43. Few different options. They also had some rifles. I actually just have to update I just moved to Texas, so I have to update my ID and get a Texas ID. But yeah, you need to check this out. They're not too far from the Galleria Mall. Good prices,